Eating a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods is definitely beneficial if you suffer from nerve pain. Numerous options exist for better nerves and reduced pain with a plant-based diet. Try this diet right now. Spinach and broccoli are rich in vitamin B, which is necessary for nerve growth and function. Consume one or more fruits daily to aid in the healing of damaged nerves. Fruits high in antioxidants such as melons, berries, peaches, cherries, grapes, and oranges can help reduce inflammation and damage to nerves. Quinoa is a great source of potassium, which aids in the effective conduction of messages through nerves. This superfood also contains protein, fiber, iron, copper, and vitamin B6. Similar to other fruits, zucchini is beneficial for nerve cells since it is high in antioxidants, which calms excited nerves, and potassium, which encourages efficient nerve communication. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins A and C, which shield cells from free radical damage. For more such videos, like and subscribe our channel.